Alright, hello boys and girls, moms and dads, welcome to HeroesMart Academy. This is 5th grade social studies, week number 20. Today we're going to be in the geography section of our curriculum, and we are still going to be talking about certain things in geography, and specifically we're going to be talking about regions in the United States. Alright, so we're going to be talking about regions from a historical standpoint. We're going to be talking about regions from a population standpoint. Okay, so it's important to understand that the United States is made of 50 states and District of Columbia, which is the nation's capital. It comprises of territories like the Pacific Ocean Islands and the Caribbean Sea. Out of the 50 states, 2 are not found in the continent. Rather, they are located on the north and the south of the Pacific, and they are Alaska and Hawaii. The United States occupies 3.8 million square miles, approximately 9.8 million square kilometers. And that's about 2,680 miles wide and 1,582 miles long. So historically, the regions in the United States can be broken down into these few sections. The New England region, the Mid-Atlantic region, the Southeast region, the Midwest region, the Rocky Mountains region, Southwest region, and the Pacific Coastal region. So what's the New England region? Well, the New England region will be located to the northeast of the United States. And these are states like Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine. And this is the oldest region in the United States. It's the first place that the Pilgrims landed in 1620 from the Mayflower voyage. Alright, now second region is the Mid-Atlantic region, which includes states like New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, and Washington, D.C., which is the nation's capital. It contains the economic nerve centers of the United States and contains some of the cities that are most densely populated in the United States. Alright, third region is going to be the Southeast. The Southeast region will include states like West Virginia, Virginia itself, Kentucky, and North Carolina and South Carolina, Tennessee and Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. Alright, what about the Midwest? The Midwest will include states like North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, Nebraska, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Kansas, and Missouri. Alright, then we have the Rocky Mountains, which are going to be made of states like Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, and Nevada. Southwest region will be made of states like Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas. Pacific Coastal will include things like Washington and Oregon and California, Alaska, and Hawaii. Alright, so those are the historical regions of the United States, and then in terms of population, we have the Northeast, which is approximately home to about 57.4 million people. The Midwest, which is going to be home to about 6 to 9 million people. The West, which is going to be approximately home to about 7 to 9 million people. And then in the South, it's going to be approximately home to about 126 million people. Alright, and this was picked from this link over there from census.gov. Then we're talking about the economic regions of the United States. So the United States can be sectioned into these economic regions as well. Northeast, the South, the Midwest, and the West regions. Alright, so you got a couple of exercises in here to retain what we talked about a little bit better today. So please go ahead and work through those homework exercises and let us internalize those things a little bit better. Alright. I want to thank you, boys and girls, for joining me today. Remember, God cares about you, and so do we. Bye-bye.
I'll be your hero's buddy, and as you study with HeroesMart